Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I am going to attempt to do a simple ghost swipe. I'm going to put a lighter layer of black paint on than I did the last time, because it didn't need to have as much as it had. But it is pretty hot out here today, and paint will dry pretty quick. Fortunately, I think I do know how to do this well enough, assuming I don't spend an inordinate amount of time pulling weird things out with my tweezers, available on the Amazon link, along with the OXO omelet turning spatula. Best paint spreading tool around. It's nice to have the primed black canvas, but it's even nicer to have a layer of wet paint to help stimulate what's coming. And there's going to be some more black enamel. One of these days I'll get brave and use a color and have expectations, but the black just makes the cells happen and makes everything pop really perfectly. So I want this ghost swipe to be dominantly red and gold. And I suppose if it doesn't go as I plan, or I don't like it, I'll do something else to it, but for right now that's the plan. I'm just swiping over, looking for anything that I might see that won't be making me happy when it dries. And it is drying very quickly. Okay, let's spread that one more time around as well, as best we can. So there's an even layer there. Alright, that's going in the bucket. I am going to go ahead and... Am I? Maybe I'm not. I'm going to put my gold down. I'm going to give myself a second color of gold, or let's call it bronze. Not sure it's the perfect thing with the red, but that we'll find out. So the red is a red metallic, and I think it was Anita's. So much for simple. And I am going to give myself, now that I've gone that far, some more of this 24 karat gold with a little orange mixed in. Get those out of my way. Find myself a swipe card, or 2 or 3. I've got several different sizes in case I change my mind about what I want. Whoop. Okay. I'll just move that back into position. So now I need the black enamel, and I don't need a lot of it, but I do need some. Come out now. I might even need more than that. Now after this is done, I often change my mind about what I'm doing. So after this is done, you can never tell what I'm going to do. I'm really interested in using the wide side of this card. And I want to push my cottage cheese lids in on all sides so that I can get over the edges a lot more easily. And that's nice. That's a nice ghost swipe. I might want to put something in the middle after. I'm going to use some of that same color. I didn't get as much on the first side. So, like I said, simple. Will it be simple? I'm just going to do the same thing all the way across. I usually like to save some negative space, but I've got all that negative space in the middle. I'm just going to wipe that card off at the same height all the way across. And I might go over here too. Just hold a finger down, add a little bit of pressure. Wipe your card. Not much waste on this for sure. Really pretty color combinations. I found that I don't mind adding my card right into things. Look, those little puddles are perfect. Just tap it off. Can even tap it right over on the edge and make it blend right in. So this is going to be super fast. I wish I had more of those puddles that were in between, which could be blue on the next one. Alright, let's keep going. I'm going to use that paint not just down the side, but I'm going to add some of it to the edge where I didn't complete my swipe. And we'll do a little fool the eye there. And I'm almost done, and then I have to decide if I'm done. It's really very subtle compared to some of the other things I've been doing lately. But it's also not too difficult, and that's what I was aiming for, something everybody could do and feel confident that they could do it. See, this is what I like here, these marks. But in this case, they don't really match everything else. But I might be able to just move a few of them right up to the center, if I like that. Let's go sideways. Let's see what that looks like. That's just inviting me to use the basting brush. That's what that's doing. And I'm going to grab one with more bristles than usual. Be ever so delicate. I'm going to go in from the other side and hope I've got enough. Wet paint in the center to make a difference. Now, do I want to do something with that? I really do. And you're not surprised. So I'm going to put, am I? Still? I'm going to put some black enamel down the center. And then, where's my gold? Right there. I don't even know if this is going to work, but I want to try it, because it'll teach me what to do for another time. So I'm just going to grab some of that again. I'm having a cross effect today. Just use my spare on the ends. And if I want to do something else with this gold, I'm just going to roll a skewer in it and cross my fingers I can get away with it. I'm going to pounce my skewer along that edge just to blend it a little bit. And what else am I going to do? Where's my straw? Handy dandy straw. I'm going to blow that out just to blend it in. Try and make my sides match a little. And agitating the paint should have a sort of a cell making effect, if we're lucky. How do I like that? I'm not sure. No, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm still doing it. Oh, that's sort of not what I expected. In for penny, in for pound. Might as well go the whole 9 yards. As long as you got what you got. And maybe I get to experiment. Put a little bit of black enamel in. Come on out without dumping the whole jar. Yes. So I'm making the middle really different. I could have definitely stopped where I was at, and you know that. And I'm not encouraging you to do this. But I am playing and experimenting, and I had some time left, so why not? I always want to finger paint, and I never do it. Except for the edges. So let's be brazen. Before paint dries so completely that I can't do anything with it. I don't know. I'm not satisfied. We'll give it a sash. There, that's a little better. I'm getting there. I'm almost happy. Let's hope I don't go too far past happy. I want it to look a little more organic, and I'm not minding that a bit. I just think that I need a little something on the other side of that center that looks like what I just put in there. So I'm just flicking with the tips of the modified basting brush. That's only one row, and then I still remove another row in between. So that's cool. I could put a gold stripe down the middle of that and be pretty happy, but I'm not hating on that either. Maybe I will. I got 3 minutes left. I like it better. I know, and somebody's going, we believed you the last time you said that. So I do sell my artwork. I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, especially if the virus is gone, or we found a cure and nobody's scared to death anymore of social contact. I love you guys. There's 86,000 of you. If you share my videos, it's a big assistance to me, and I appreciate it. If you want to watch my videos more, there's 1,310 of them, and you can find playlists on my channel and look for creative playlists, and you'll be able to peruse the organized by the hundreds or the genres. I could take this design and just repeat it digitally until I fill something up, and it would be pretty cool. I'm kind of wondering if I want a little more red in there, but I think I'm good. I think I'm good, and I'm going to tell you guys, the Teespring under the video has got my designs on it, and it's all over print leggings and t-shirts. If you watch the videos longer, that's the only help that's real to the YouTube algorithm, putting me where I want to be, where more people can find me. If you give me a thumbs up, I really appreciate that, along with your wonderful comments. Thank you so much for all those wonderful comments, and thank you for all the contributions that have kept me painting. And if you'd like to be a contributor, it's a $10 minimum to get in the monthly drawing. There are 5 paintings to choose from next month when the drawing is on the 3rd week in April. If you shop my Amazon link, you can find all kinds of cool stuff, including the OXO omelet turning spatula and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. My number 1 is especially good. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and welcome if you're just coming. And if you have notifications but you're not getting your notifications, you might want to check that you still got them. And when you press the bell, make sure you press all notifications. Num 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 num. I know there's lots more. There's Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, where you can often see what tomorrow's video will be, posted late at night, and it's for students there. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors will show you what I've edited so far of the YouTube artworks, wet and dry, in the albums. I'm not done. I'm 400 behind, but there's a lot of video artwork there, so you should be all set. I like how this just sort of spread out and is more organic looking than it was. I could play with this for a little while, but I don't think I need to. It is what it is, and I'm happy with what it is. And maybe some point in time I can go back to simple again, but I lie. I'm not good at simple. I like complicated. I like simple too, but I tend to gravitate toward complicated. So I will see you guys anon. Shop Now button on my Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More page will take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America. Under the video you'll find my paint pouring recipe, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links, and the place to send a donation is through PayPal or Patreon. The icons are on the lower right side of my header on my channel, or the links are underneath the video. What else was I going to tell you? Something that just left my brain. I love you! That always works. You guys take care of yourselves and each other, and hopefully we'll all get back together at some point again in the future. And that's it. Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the back here going, I just need to fill in that one little spot right there, because it's bumming me out. And now it's a bigger spot. Oh well, don't tell. Nobody will know. I will see you guys anon. Maybe that'll appear. Oh, on the end screens you can find my website in the lower right hand corner, and you can find the exhibition video that shows you the prizes for next month's drawing on the upper left hand corner, I believe. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye for now. Binge watch, would you? Thank you.